Tayasui Sketches is an Android application designed for drawing and sketching, catering to artists of all skill levels, from beginners to professionals. This app provides a user-friendly platform that combines a variety of powerful tools with a clean, intuitive interface, making it an ideal choice for creative expression. Key features typically include a diverse range of drawing tools, such as pencils, pens, and brushes, along with customizable layers, which allow users to create complex and detailed artwork. Tayasui Sketches often supports features like pressure sensitivity, enabling users to produce more natural and fluid strokes, especially when used with stylus devices. Additionally, the app usually provides options for adding textures and colors, as well as easy sharing capabilities, allowing users to export their artwork to social media or other platforms directly. With its focus on simplicity and versatility, Tayasui Sketches encourages creativity and experimentation, making it a valuable tool for anyone interested in digital art and illustration. Overall, Tayasui Sketches serves as an engaging and effective application for artists who want to create, explore, and share their artwork in a digital format.